Apple just dropped iOS 26, and it's packed with new features, a sleek design, and some changes that might surprise you. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know, from device compatibility to the coolest features you'll want to try first. Let's dive in! iOS 26 officially arrives on Monday, September 15th, 2025. But not every iPhone gets to join the party. If your device is older than 2019, you might be out of luck. Here's the shortlist. The iPhone XR, XS, and XS Max are officially left behind. If you're on these devices, you won't be able to upgrade to iOS 26. For everyone else, from the iPhone SE second generation all the way to the brand new iPhone 17 and iPhone Air, you're good to go. And for iPads? Most recent models are compatible, including the iPad Pro M4, iPad Air 3rd generation or later, iPad 8th Gen Plus, and iPad Mini 5th Gen or newer. Basically, if your iPad is less than 6-7 years old, it'll run iPadOS 26. One of the biggest visual changes is Apple's liquid glass design. Think floating buttons, revamped app icons, and more cohesive visuals across all Apple devices. Dark mode has been improved, and there's an all-clear option to declutter your screen. Apple says this is about making the interface feel lighter, more modern, and consistent across iPhone, iPad, and even Mac. The phone app gets a major redesign too. Now you can scroll contacts, recent calls, and voicemail all on one screen. No more tapping around. There's also a handy feature called Hold Assist, which alerts you when you're connected to a live agent. No more endless elevator music while waiting on hold. In Messages, Apple introduces polls for group chats. This is perfect when deciding where to eat or what movie to watch. No more 30+ back and forth messages just to agree on dinner plans. Language barriers? Not anymore. iOS 26 brings Live Translate. You can talk or text with someone in another language, and your iPhone will translate in real time. This is ideal for travel, business calls, or chatting with friends overseas. Apple says it's designed to work in both voice calls and messages, a true game changer for international communication. The lock screen gets a major makeover too. You can customize clocks, widgets, and 3D wallpaper effects. Focus modes are more integrated, and you can personalize notifications depending on whether you're at work, home, or asleep. This makes the lock screen not just functional but also a small piece of your personal style. iOS 26 also improves the camera app. Buttons and menus are more accessible, and there's a new lens dirt detection feature, perfect for avoiding blurry shots. Screenshots get smarter too. After taking a screenshot, you can search the image on Google or even ask ChatGPT questions about the photo directly from the edit screen. Think of it as a reverse image search built into your iPhone. No extra apps needed. Other handy tweaks include customizable alarm snooze times. You're no longer stuck with the 9-minute default, and a few subtle refinements across the OS to improve performance and usability. So, there you have it. iOS 26 is here, bringing a fresh look, powerful features, and smarter usability for iPhone and iPad users. If your device is compatible, download it starting September 15th and explore the new possibilities. Which feature are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates on all things Apple.